Around the corner, Helen is painting her headboard using an art technique which uses imagery to create an optical illusion.
The style people like to call trompe, but it's not true trompe because it doesn't look like a photograph or a real image. It's more quirky than that. This headboard's based on an Edwardian design of a brass bird. It just adds a little bit of me to the design, really, because I tried to do everything that Alison and her partner wanted me to, but because I'm the designer, I just wanted to leave a little bit of me as well.